360-degree reality. Sunset beach, I don't need HGTV.
Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a hair tutorial. I'm going to be doing a slick side part with a bun, and all my social medias will be down below in the description box. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. If you guys want to watch more hair tutorials or like hair videos, make sure to comment down below. So I'm going to show you guys. I already told you guys what I'm going to do. Slick and then with a little bun. So what you will be needing is hair ties or like anything to have to make sure that your hair is secured up. A spray bottle just to get your hair a little wet. Any gel. The gel I had is the Gorilla glue. Don't mind the background. I have 3 nephews that are loud. You'll be needing brush, edge brush, whatever you want to call it. Okay. So what you're gonna do is basically section your hair how you want your hair to be to the side. Like if you want to do this side, slick it down and bun. But I'm gonna be doing my left side, so I'm just going to like. I actually have nails. I don't think actually I'm gonna need this though. So basically just like start parting it, like getting like a circle or anything, so you can easily slick it down and stuff. So I'm going to get the part how I want it, and I'll get back with y'all when I'm done with that. Okay, so now that you have it sectioned, make sure to like give it like kind of a little side to see how we want to look. So what you're gonna do is put this part up because you're gonna start doing the bun, and that's where you're gonna need the spray bottle. And you'll be needing bobby pins. I definitely forgot to tell you guys that, but I think you guys already knew, like your hair needs to be secure. So you will need bobby pins, all right? Or if you don't have bobby pins, what you can use are the hair clips. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is just spray your hair with water. Not a lot though, just good enough. So it won't be like wet, but it will be not damp, just wet your hair. You don't have to do the bun exactly right away. Like you can just leave it up and take it like you guys see, because that's what I'm gonna do. Put some gel in your hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna get some of this gel and looks like you're just gonna put it up, put your hair down, like the baby hairs from the back. Start putting it up. So you are going to smooth it up. And that's so weird. All right. You see, that's how I'm gonna leave it, because I gotta do the rest. So you can either, I'm gonna do my edges now. You can either do your edges now or start doing the swoop, but I'm gonna start doing my baby hair.
Can basically go straight down and then start.
Oh, I have Carmex all over me. And you're gonna make sure to clean the sides if you're using this glue gel. So now this is the last one, the last little one. you're going to do the same thing. Now that you have that, don't play with me. My phone really fell. Now what you're gonna do is just, I don't know, do something. So this can be out of the way. Right, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna do this by sections. Like, wet is not a lot. You're gonna get your glue. I keep saying glue. Your gel. I don't know if you guys want to watch a chill playlist or a lit playlist. Asked my Instagram followers, but I don't know what they put because I haven't opened Instagram for a good minute. Spanish in it. Why do I keep closing this? I'm gonna end up breaking my nail. I'm gonna end up breaking this nail. Oh, don't do that. Just gonna slick it down. Okay, so I am so stressed out. So stressed out over a hairstyle. I've never been this stressed out. Okay, so now that part's done, you're going to start doing your bun. I'm just going to tease my hair a little bit. So now you're just going to start forming your bun however you want your bun to. And now, grab this. What I was looking like. I'm going to get my face all looking cute, and I'll be right back. This is how the final look. I like it. It looks cute. It's just a little bit right here. But if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a comment. And make sure to comment down below any videos you guys want to watch. Hair tutorial. Curly hair routine. Ooh. So, thank you guys for watching today's YouTube video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.